Hi guys, welcome to my beloved life. My name is Kalia and today we are stuffing paycheck number 1 of July. So let's get right into it. We are stuffing $520. I've been working a lot more at my hourly job because I've been training people to get ready to take over my position or to help cover me when I'm on maternity leave. So this check is a little bit bigger than it usually is. So 520. So 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 320, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 410, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 500, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 520. And everything is here. Some of these bills are real crisp because I got them from the ATM. Like the 5s, some of them are especially crisp, and normally like the 5s I get from the bank are like beat up, but these from the ATM are really crisp, and even this $10 like super crisp. Like, do you see them? Can you hear them? Like, do you see this? It's crazy. Okay. All right. So with our variable expenses, we're starting first. We have $50 going into groceries, and we are going to do, what do we want to do? We'll do we'll do 20. No, we'll do some 5s. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That's 10. 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. So grocery has, and my budget sheets are filled out. So grocery has 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. $70 in groceries. Pampering isn't getting anything. Puppies is getting $50. So we are doing a 10 and 2 20s. Alright. No, we'll do a 50, so I'm going to put those back. So let's just do a 50. So 50, 70, $90 in puppies. Bills is getting $100, so the singular 100 is going into bills. Shopping is getting $10. Alright, so shopping has 20. Alright, moving on from our variable expenses, we are going straight into our short-term sinking funds. And with our hundreds gone, we're just going to move these over, okay? Alright, so Hi Baby is getting 25, and yeah, 25, so a 20 and a 5, So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 105 in high, baby. Medical is getting $50. So medical has 50, 100, 105 as well. Honey is getting $20. Okay. That's new to me. So 20, 40, 50, 55 in honey. Kalia is getting $20 as well. I'm gonna put 2 10s in here, so. Okay, so 10, 20, 25, 30, 31 in Kalia. Date night is getting $5. So date night has $10 in date night. Gifts is getting $5. So gifts has 15. That snowball is getting 25. Oh jeez. I'm gonna put singles in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Okay. So that snowball has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. So $98 in debt snowball. Education is getting 5. Education has 10, 20, 25, 30. Business is getting $5. Business has 50, 60, 70, 75, 80 in business. Okay. House is getting $5, no, $10. Okay. So 10, 20, 25, 30, 36, 37, $38 in house. Car is getting $20. So car has 20, $25. Parents, parents are getting, is getting $5. So 1, 10, 15, 115. Crypto should be getting $5. Yep. So crypto has 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. Christmas is getting $10. So Christmas has 100, 200, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, and 265 in Christmas. Savings should be getting $5. And savings has 1, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45 in savings. emergency, it should be getting $5. Yep. So emergency has 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31. And vacation is getting $5. Should be, yes. So vacation has 1, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. 135 in vacation. And then savings challenge is, oh, so this is our hourly paycheck, and we are stuffing, what are we stuffing? Let me see, I don't remember what we're stuffing. It says 85, and I think this is 85, but I think that's incorrect, because we don't have an 85. So, oh wait, no. Here we go. 85. I'm sorry, this is my hourly paycheck, so we don't stuff our 2K challenge. We only stuff our 5K challenge. So it says 85, and then I'm going to double check this to make sure it's 85. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. All right. So thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, or then yeah, thank you guys. I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.